Hey guys, it's me. Hey guys, I am Iron Fuzzly and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I am going to be doing the RAYA makeup tutorial. It's already RAYA by the time you guys watch this video, I think. But if it's RAYA already, Selamat Hari Raya Maaf Zahir Batin to everyone, to every Muslim who is celebrating RAYA. It's just for fun, so I'm really excited to share with you guys this year's RAYA makeup look 2022. We're practicing how to wear the makeup. If you guys don't like my makeup, show, okay? Show. I don't need your opinion. I can do what I fucking want. I don't need your opinion. First thing first, for my makeup, always need to use sunscreen. Malaysian is really hot. My face is really oily. It gets super tan easily. It's really important. My nail fell off, which is sad. I am going to be using Bonjour Paris. It's in the shade Light 120. I saw this like one makeup life hack lipstick. Kat sini dalam foundation, you blend it together, but after blend, it's okay. And it works. Please put highlighter. If you guys haven't watched my prom vlog, my sister actually used some of these highlighter ada kat sini, which is weird. Why would you use it here, right? Like under my eye right here. Like that, when I see the official result, it is so pretty. Sometimes wear makeup, we have to be creative. It will look ugly at first. At the end, the result will be pretty. Dab it 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Blend. I actually stole this from my mom. Sorry, mama. Apa sekarang? She don't know that. I took this from her room. Go to the eyeshadow part. I am going to be using this matte nude, really old one. I just use what I have. This. Actually, I am gonna put a bit more concealer. I saw this makeup life hack on TikTok. Now is the eyeshadow part, all matte Malloy. Really simple, right? I'm gonna take the brush right here, and now let's get an analysis. Eyeliner, I am using this Silky Girl. Trying to find the perfect eyeliner, I will recommend this if you love the liquid ones. Ini I takut sikit, okay? Took like 50 minutes already. Next part is I bought this on Shopee, which is really cheap, 3 ringgit. I will put all the Shopee links in the description box and below so you guys can check it out. The seller is really sweet too, so recommend it. The brand Full Color, oh my god, they actually sponsored me. Now it's time for the lipstick. I'm going to be using this too. This is the lighter shade of lipstick. This is darker shade of lipstick. I'm gonna mix 2 of them. Darker lipstick color. I'm gonna put a bit, like literally a bit too. The last thing. I forgot about my eyebrow. I have to open. Literally just bought this eyebrow pencil recently. Literally just now. Oh my god, it looks so good. And it is done. And this will be my RAYA makeup look. It fell off. So disappointing. Why this time?